Hello, welcome to lecture Popular Composition Techniques. Here you will learn tips and tricks for popular composition techniques. Probably the most renowned photographic composition technique is the rule of third, and it is the basis of well-balanced and interesting shots. The rule of thirds, one of the first things that digital photographers learn about in classes on photography. Golden ratio. One of the coolest photography composition technique is golden ratio. If you practice and take more photos of golden ratio, you will be amazed how creative and lucrative the photos will be. Leading lines. Another cool photography composition technique is leading lines technique. It refers a viewer of your photo's attention is drawn to lines that lead to the main subject of the image. Usually, they start at the bottom of the frame and guide the eye upwards and inwards, from the foreground of the image to the background, typically leading toward the main subject. Texture and pattern. Bored with your dull and boring photographs? If you wanna add a new level, dynamic to your photography, then try adding texture and pattern. Texture and patterns are pretty cool and they will add a new depth to your images. Fill the frame. Fill the frame is another cool composition technique in photography. Fill the frame encourages you to think about your subject and find out different and unique features of a subject.